that you are well. It's your girl Bella, and we are back with another video of some nail designs. Now, before I get into the freestyle nail designs, I just wanted to show you some of the nail art that I got from Charlie's Nail Art. So this first one is these really cute neon Frappuccino cups. Now, these are more summery art, but I did get a mixture of summer, autumn, Halloween, and Christmas. So here is this next glitter, a shimmer glitter plum, and it's such a pretty color. It's my favorite color, and I am using that glitter in my nail design today. So this next one is called Princess, and it has like some pink in here. It does has a little bit of red. It's a very fine glitter inside there as well. And these are some neon Mary J's, very on trend for summer. Definitely want to encapsulate that. This beautiful one is called Seasons of Change, and this is going to be a part of like the nail art that I have collecting for autumn, because you know autumn is coming up. I also picked up some Christmas stuff. This one is called Season's Greetings, and it's got that beautiful red shimmer Santa Claus theme going on. This one is called Deck the Halls. So this one is more of that green shimmery color going on. There's little speckles of red in there as well. This next one is called Blizzard. This is more on trend for summer, but I like that it's called Blizzard because you could use that for like a blue Christmas. Okay. Next is this shimmer glitter called Strawberry, and it looks absolutely delicious. Jack-o'-lantern, as you know, Halloween is coming up, so this is going to go great for some really nice Halloween decorations. So we also have this one called Witch's Cackle, and this could be used for Halloween. And I also think that this could possibly go for Christmas as well because it has green and red inside it. And then I have this one is Skull and Bones. So you can take this out, put this encapsulated with some like smoky black clear polygel, mix with some black, and that would be really pretty. Then I have these cute little fangs. I don't know if you could see it very clearly, but they are so cute. I don't think I've seen them anywhere. And then I have these little ghosts, like it looks like a little kind of ghost or like a pumpkin. I know these ones are pumpkin, but the first one I think it's like a little, you know, kind of ghost, like a boo. Anyway, let's move on to the nail designs. Those are all those wonderful stuff from Charlie's Nail Art. Very excited to create some designs with that. Don't forget, I do have a coupon code with them. I'll leave it down in the description. So as you would have seen, I do apply a layer of foil glue, also called star glue. Just act as my peel off base before I apply my tips, and once I'm done applying the foil glue, then I go ahead and apply base coat and cure that under my UV lamp. Now, to create these kind of freestyle enchanted kind of nails, I'm focusing a lot on Makartt products. There is a sale going on this weekend. I'll have the information down in the description, but I am taking this beautiful Shakira glitter mix from the Femi Beauty collection, and I'm going to be using that in my freestyle kind of glitter nail designs. I'm also going to take this shimmer glitter plum glitter mix from Charlie's Nail Art and use that in my nail design. And I felt like it needed just something else to really make it enchanted, so I have these two sets of glitter collections that I got from Amazon. This was in one of my Amazon hauls as well. So this really looks enchanted, so I'm going to add just a little bit of that to this design. And then I think I wanted to add just a pop of blue, so I'm going to go with this tealy looking turquoise kind of glitter to this mix as well. That's really pretty, and I don't have anything in my collection close enough. I mean, I could have used Blizzard as well, but I just wanted a little bit, so that's what I'm starting with. So I've already applied primer to the tips, and now I'm just going to take some base gel and run that over the nail. And while it is still wet, I'm just going to dip into the mixture of the glitter to apply it to my nail. Now, I am layering my glitter a certain way because there are certain colors I want you to be able to see at the top of the nail, and then the other glitters are kind of like the secondary and background colors just to add variation. So once you're done applying your glitter to your base gel, Then you go ahead and flash cure it for just 10 seconds under your UV lamp. So once I'm done putting the glitters on and applying base gel and then flash curing it under my UV lamp, now I'm ready to apply these nails to my natural nail. So I'm going to go in with a layer of poly gel, and I'm going to be using this new poly gel from the Femi Beauty kit that I have not yet used yet. It is such a pretty color and it's called Kawaii Gang, and I'm just going to apply like a dime size amount onto my nails. Then I'm going to take my polygel brush, wet it a little bit with isopropyl alcohol, and just pat it gently onto my nail. Once I'm done patting this onto my nail, then I can just apply the nail tip and cure it under my UV lamp. Now be sure to position the nail properly before you cure, and if you have any spillage to the side of your nails, be sure to take your brush with some isopropyl alcohol and remove that before you cure it. If by chance you forget, you can always file this off later. So I went ahead and did the exact same thing that I did on my thumb. Also, I did that on my index and my pinky finger, and this is how it's looking so far. So for my middle as well as my ring finger, I'm going to go in with that same Kawaii Gang polygel, but this time I'm actually going to do the Femi Beauty Method, also called the Lazy Girl Method, and apply some base gel as well as the poly gel underneath the entire nail. Once I have that amount of polygel underneath the nail, I just pat this in, then I apply this onto my nail tip, position it once more, making sure that it's straight. If there's any spillage, I'll wipe that off with my polygel brush, and I'm gonna cure this under my UV lamp for around 30 to 60 seconds. For my ring finger, I am going in with another favorite of mine, which is called Glitter Fairy. It's just the most beautiful nude glitter polygel on the planet that I've used so far. I love this. This is my favorite. If you are thinking of getting any kits from Makartt, I definitely highly recommend the Femi Beauty one just because of the versatile colors in this kit. And I do love the nude gel polish. I've used it several times. I'm going to be using some of them in this video as well. So I just thought I'd mention that shameless plug of sales. All right, so here's how the nails are looking so far. Before I move on, the nails that I did the glitter, I'm just going to apply some top coat underneath this nail because I've applied base coat underneath there. So there's a layer of a little bit of stickiness. So just to make sure to have that underside of your nail secured, be sure to put some top coat. Then you can just move on to using your 100 file and filing around your cuticle area, as well as the tip, removing that little tab that's usually at the end of the tips. And then you can take your buffer and remove that surface shine on the top of your nail. Okay, so now let's move on to the freestyle art side of this nail design, and I am going to be doing some hand painting. So you're definitely going to need a liner brush. You're definitely going to need some flat brushes, just like this one that I have here. I applied some isopropyl alcohol to this brush, And now I'm gonna go around the edge of this nail because I'm going for an enchanted look, an enchanted forest. I want to give this nail an appearance as if I'm looking through trees. So I'm gonna go around the perimeter of the nail and just kind of create a brown kind of halo kind of look to this nail. Once I'm done creating that brown kind of halo, look to this nail, I'm going to now draw my tree branches. Just in case I didn't mention or you wasn't able to see the name, this is the gel polish called Brownie from the Femi Beauty collection. Love this. It's just a beautiful, rich brown color. I've yet to find a brown this exact shade. So again, the new gel polish collection from the Femi Beauty kit, highly recommend. So I'm taking my liner brush that I got from Vaga. I did mention this brush when I did another set of line work a few videos back. Okay, I'm using this and I'm just creating some tree branches. I don't want them to be straight. I want them to be crooked because, as you know, branches are naturally crooked. And now I'm going to kind of dot some flowers onto this. Now these glitter gel polishes from Peony, they are very, very sheer. There's not much color payoff in these ones unless you're doing them on completely clear nails or like a base light brown color nails. So I'm going to take my Possession gel polish. This was from the Hooked on Love collection from Makartt. And I'm adding just a little dot of this on top of that layer of wet glitter gel polish. I hope that made sense. So I didn't cure the gel polish. I'm just adding another layer of this Possession kind of purple, not purple, like a deep rose color to this, just to create my flowers for my branches. And by combining these two colors, I feel like I have a nice colored flowers, if you understand what I'm saying. Anyway, I think you get it. So once I'm done and I'm satisfied with how my flowers and my tree branches are looking, then I just go in with a layer of top coat, and that's how that look. So I did the exact same thing on my middle finger, and you can see it just a little bit more clearer against that Kawaii Gang polygel color. So for my ring finger, I'm not going to do too much because these nails already have a lot of shimmer and glitter and everything going on. So I'm just going to keep it very simple on my ring finger, and I'm going to go in with this odd shape bling that I got from AliExpress. This was in my previous AliExpress haul. Please feel free to check that out. And I also picked up these beautiful little butterflies also in my AliExpress haul, and then I applied those to my nails. Now I did go ahead and draw myself a little, fairy, and I used like a butterfly sticker. So that is how the final design looked. So let me know down in the comments how you think this nail design turned out. Does it look enchanted to you? Did I do okay? And I'll see you in the next video.